Hello and welcome back to the Power of BI channel. And in this video series, we will be going through an exam AI 900, which is Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental, and we are going through artificial intelligence and machine learning plus computer vision, natural language processing, as well as some of the features of generative AI. Some we will be touching up some concepts as well as how Azure AI services can help you out, and the basic target of these video series is about going through some of the concepts that will be helpful for you to attempt AI 900 exam. This part of the video is about fundamentals of facial recognition, and this involves face detection and analysis, which is the important capabilities of AI solutions. Azure AI Face service makes it easier to integrate these capabilities into the applications or as a standalone analysis as well. Face detection and analysis is an area of artificial intelligence which uses the algorithms to locate and analyze human faces in images or video contents. So basically, it analyzes images and video in the content, and there are many applications of face detection analysis. For example, we can use security to recognize face in the building. We can also use social media facial recognition to automatically tag the known friends in the photograph, as well as intelligent monitoring, which involves automobile might include a system that monitors the driver face to determine if the driver is and apply some settings, automated settings, seat settings and all the stuff, or looking for to make sure that driver is looking at the road and not looking at the mobile devices, or doesn't look tired itself. The other part would be like going through the identity validations, missing persons, and advertising as well. So in advertising, the faces in the images can help direct advertising to an appropriate demographic audience. So basically, it is identifying the structure of the human face, and typically returning a bounding box coordinate that forms a rectangle around the face like this. And with face analysis feature, which can be used to train machine learning model to return other information such as the other features like eyes, nose, and eyebrows, lips, and others. So face analysis, the further application of that is to train machine learning model to identify known individuals from their facial features, which is actually a facial recognition systems, and use multiple images to individually train the model as well. We will also uh, when used responsibly, facial recognition is an important and useful technology that can improve efficiency, security, and customer experiences. Next, we will explore some AI services, and Microsoft Azure provides multiple Azure AI services that you can use to detect and analyze faces, which includes AI Vision, which offers face detection, like some basic face analysis, such as returning a bounding box coordinated as per the previous image that was shown. Also, AI video indexer, which you can use to detect and identify faces in the video, as well as Azure AI Face, which offers pre-built algorithms that can detect, recognize, and analyze faces. So Azure AI Face service can return the rectangular coordinates of a human face that are found in an image, as well as some other series of related attributes like accessories, like the attribute returns possible headwear, glasses, mask, and returns with the confidence score between 0 and 1 for each accessory. How blur is the face, and which can be indicated of how likely is the is to be maintained focus of the image. It also covers exposure, like whether it is underexposed or overexposed, exposed, and this applies to the face in the image and not the overall image explorer. So for example, like passport photos, we can go through, it detects automatically that if you've done it at home, for example, or at a shop, it automatically recognizes the set of exposure required. Other things like head pose, glasses, masks, and other things like noise, which refers to a visual noise in the image. So if you have taken a photo with in a darker of the settings, you will notice that the noise in the images looks a bit of a there's a noise in the images, and the image looks grainy or full of tiny dots that makes the image less clearer. Occlusion determines that it might be objects blocking the face in the images, as well as quality for recognition gives us a rating of high, medium, and low that reflects if the image is of sufficient quality to attempt facial recognition. It also comes with a responsible use of AI, and we can use anyone can use the face service to the determine the person is wearing glasses, the location, as well as any obstacles in between, and it also returns the head pose coordinate for each face in the image. The limited access policies requires customer to submit an intake form to access additional Azure AI Face services capabilities that includes face verification, identification, and liveness detection, the ability to detect and mitigate incidents of recurring content or behavior that indicate violation of policies, which is the whether the input of video stream is real or fake. In Azure, the resources for Face is to use the Face service, and you must create one of the following resources for Face. We can, as discussed in the previous videos, we can include Azure AI services to include AI Face in that, along with the other AI services. Or we can specifically use Azure AI Face service, which is a specific type of source for the service itself. So once you are ready to start off with the resource allocations, as well as using the AI face services, there are some tips that we can achieve more better result, like image format, file size, and file sales range as well, and also related to reduction of the noise as well in that. So these are some of the minimum requirement, not the minimum requirement, but if you get a better or accurate results, you would follow the image formats as well as the file size or the pixel size as well to be included. So the main takeaway of this video is about going through the face analysis concept, Azure AI Face service, which offers pre-trained model for face detection, recognition, and analysis. We also reviewed capabilities of face, including the detection of accessories or any obstacles in it. It also involves responsible AI principles, which means that fair use of the overall services, and that's it from this side of the module or or the video. So in the next one, we will be going through the continuation of the next video, which is related to optical character recognition, as well as we will be going through document imaging, as well as other capabilities that Azure provides, which will be part of the AI 900 exam. So stay tuned, and if you have any feedback, just feel free to give it to me, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.